Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to listen to the story Dandelions-Stars in the Grass by Mia Posada. This story is fiction, which means it is fake or not real. We can tell by looking at the pictures. We can tell that somebody drew these pictures and they are not real pictures. Dandelions. I know that some people call it a weed, but to me the dandelion is a noble breed. Bright yellow petals adorn each one, spreading out like the rays of the sun. In spring, dandelions bloom like gold stars in the grass, growing taller and taller as the warm days pass. Under sunny summer skies, the flowers are visited by bees and butterflies. The flowers begin to change one summer day. Their bright yellow petals fold up and fall away. In place of petals emerge fluffy tufts of white. So the yellow changes to white. They form a perfect circle, delicate and light. Look at that. If you have seen one of these outside before, me too. The wind blows them loose, sweeping them into the sky. Or sometimes, if you pick one, you can blow the seeds away. Like tiny umbrellas, they float up high. Ever flying, tuft the wind has freed, carries with it a tiny seed. Did you know that those were seeds? If you knew they were seeds, put your finger on your nose. That is pretty cool. The tufts float on the wind until falling to rest. A nice grassy hillside is what they like best. Into the soil a seed snuggles down. Slender new roots tunnel deep underground. See that? That is how a new one is made. Fragile green leaves begin to grow, sprouting up from the earth below. Look closely and you'll find round buds of green. Do you see them? But bright yellow petals are yet to be seen, so we can't see them yet. The buds slowly open, facing the sky. Sunlight and water will help them grow high. As summer moves on, sunny and warm, seeds become flowers. New dandelions form. The end. So the cycle starts all over again, from seed to flower, back to seed. Thanks for listening.